Good morning, Florida. Well, it's still dark out. It's the mountain time. 42 degrees, 64 degrees in here. Wow, 22 degrees warmer. Because I got my heater kicking. Dude, it's warm anyways. It's outside the blanket. Good morning, Florida. Oh, gosh. American Freedom Tour 2024, baby. 44 degrees. It's quite brisk. 47. 9 o'clock. That's what happens when you get up early, stay awake for a while, fall back asleep. Which means that oh boy. Where's Duke? There he is. Killer hot fire yesterday. Looks like it's. Can't see. No matter looking, can't see. Good morning. Good morning. Hungry? The ground looks wet. You look dry. It's Dookie time. Debating if I want to have a fire. I think I do. Got 2 more bundles left. Or 1. Only got 1 bundle left. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. I just don't know. Beautiful morning. It's such a good day to have a cup of coffee. Oh, this is nice and secluded, this spot. This is number 67. These are the sites that I like the most. Noticed I don't have a freaking cup. Just thought about it. There goes that stinking idea. Guess I can drink it out of this. Wanna try that? Never done it. If I put it on right. We are going to do that. Nice one. sturdy spot here. Alright, let's see how that goes. Give me my dookie. Alright, where are we gonna go hiking? I guess we'll just go to the main spot. Because I know the one up the street I done a couple years ago. That way out of here, you go right. We'll go by it if we drive there. It's just an open field area. Kind of want to go to the areas that are, I guess, more populated. But, oh, here we go. Alright, I'm going to take a look at this and get back to you guys. Make this my cup. Watch. Black glove. I'm gonna use this to be my cup if you guys can hear me. I did hear last week that my brother and my nephew want to go camping sometime soon, so maybe I'll have some friends to get with this time. Spillage, but customized coffee mug. Whoa, that was gonna be a bomb. That was stupid. It's not ideal, but sometimes just kind of make things work. 9:30. Go to town, give us 3 hours. Plenty of time. While that cool, I'm gonna get dressed. I like those. My pants. I'm gonna put my pants on. I'm gonna put my pants on. Alright, I'm gonna put my pants on. Pants on. Pants on. Pants on. Go for a hike? Wanted to do 2 nights today and tomorrow, but I looked at the forecast because I want to enjoy my camping stays and adventures. It looked like it was going to rain Saturday and Sunday, so that's why we didn't do it. So I don't know. We come up where we want to go since last year I was here roughly the same time. Actually, I think it was in February. We went to Seminole Trailway. So we went left and walked away with my nephew all the way to the end, and then we walked back instead of going all the way around. See, this is the permanent camping. This is what I want to do here in the future. I'm going to stop in and ask about the permanent camping, because that'd be kind of cool to do. Me, Duke, a tent, a backpack. I'd like to go up to the Appalachian Trail up in Georgia. Walk in a little bit. Walk the Appalachian Trail. Camp, maybe do a 1-nighter. First start off, or 2-nighters if I go to Georgia. But I want to try it out here to see how it works for me and what I pack and bring. I did see some people doing the hike that hike every single trail in America around the world, and they dehydrate all their food. So I wonder if I dehydrate Duke's food or bring dehydrated food for him. So we're gonna go same way that we went. We're gonna go over the suspension bridge because all these other bridges are closed, and then we'll go this Baynard Trail. It takes you around and then back on the river, Hillsborough River, and then back over and then come back through. So that's what we're gonna do to show you guys what it's really like to hike here in Hillsborough River State Park. Yeah. And I'm not gonna bring my backpack this time. I'm just gonna bring Dookie. Hey Duke, you wanna go hiking? You wanna go hiking? Oh my God. did get a comment on my last one of my shorts with Duke at nighttime, and it was a comment from a guy I thought it was pretty funny. He said, "Take all those collars off your dog. It's not supposed to, dogs are not supposed to be like that." One, when you're at a campground, you're supposed to have them on the leash. Two, guy doesn't realize that once I take my contacts out, that red light is a good thing to see. I don't really need to do that anymore, but meanwhile, it's kind of nice where he can roam around, say back here, and I can still see him. So that's why I do it, sir. That's why I do it there, sir. So I always do the road trail. All trails, even though where I'm going. 2.2 miles on there, but let's come along, would ya? American Freedom Tour 2024, fired up. Look at Duke's fired up. Oh, guys, well, we only got to the bathrooms down that way, and Duke put a stance. I'm not going. So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna head back to the camp, which we only got down the street, and we're gonna pack up everything, and then we're gonna drive and park at a spot. All right. This campground for the night at Hillsborough River Campground, number 67, and I enjoy it, and I'll be back, and we are going to go try to attempt to do that hiking trail that Dookie didn't want to go to, but we're going to drive there now, huh? You want to go hiking? You want to go hiking? No. You don't look like you want to. You don't look like you want to. Alright, let's go. Not out of the soup yet, dude. You'll get seen it all.